Adobe Journey Optimizer B2B Edition uses AI generative experience models to help you generate unique email messaging for each buying group role. From the Journey Map, you can access AI-assisted personalization when editing your email. In the Email Designer, generative AI helps curate customized messaging for multiple parts of your emails. Quickly provide prompts to generate multiple email variations tailored to your selected buying group role. Offer additional context to the AI model, including buying group role and current journey stage, to enrich and personalize the generated email messaging. Review and approve your AI-generated messaging. Then save your edits as a template for future sends. AI-assisted personalization in Adobe Journey Optimizer B2B Edition customizes content to create more tailored experiences for buying group members across their journey.